Very fast and easy. If you see in the bottom part of my phone, I'm going to show you how to add contact information on the lock screen of your phone. It's very easy on the Galaxy A54. And why would you put an email? But if you put your phone number, maybe you lose your phone and there's no way they can call you if you lose the phone, or you put the phone of a friend. How do you put that contact information in the lock screen? You're gonna go to settings, and now you're gonna go to lock screen, and now you're gonna select this option where is lock screen edit, and in the bottom you're gonna select this option, and here you can type all you want to type. And I suggest you not to put your own phone number, because if your phone number is lost, how are they gonna call you? Or put the phone number of a friend and put here like your name. But I think that Gmail email is a good option. Comment what would you put, subscribe, like, and thank you.